The day you finally stopped chasing love wasn't loud. Wala namang closure eh. Walang apology at walang explanation. It was just you, sitting alone with your tired heart and whispering to yourself, ayoko na, tama na. You didn't walk away in anger. You walked away in silence. Kasi minsan, hindi na kailangan ng away para sabihin mong ayaw mo na. Pagod ka na. Pagod ng laging kulang. Pagod kang habulin ng taong hindi naman takot mawala ka. Yung kahit isang message, ang hirap pang ibigay. Yung effort mo, parang laging hindi sapat. And in that moment, you choose something greater than love. You choose peace. Peace over overthinking. Peace over anxiety. Peace over baka sakali. And peace over a love that made you question your worth. The day you stopped chasing love was the day you realized that real love will never ask you to beg. It won't make you feel invisible. It won't leave you guessing. Because love, the real one, it stays, it grows, it shows up. And while you wait for that, you start healing, you start rebuilding, you start remembering who you were before you became desperate to be seen. So today, celebrate this quiet victory. Yung ikaw ang pinili mo. Yung hindi ka naghabol. Yung hindi mo nakinaya pero tumayo ka pa rin. The day you stopped chasing love was the day you started loving you.